Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make your own Christmas ornaments using your Cricut or Silhouette. These wooden ornaments are super popular right now and make the perfect gift. You will need some of these wood ornaments, which you can pick up on Amazon or at your local craft store, as well as some twine and some paint. The first step in this project is to paint the back, leaving a bit of the wood as an edge. A trick you can do is to put a lot of paint on your brush so that there is a clean edge and you don't have to go over it again. As you can see here, if there isn't much paint on the brush, the edges are pretty broken and inconsistent. I also turn the ornament as I go, so I have more control to make it a circle. Now that the ornaments are painted, we can cut out the vinyl while they're drying. Grab your trimmer and cut the vinyl down to size. Ornaments don't use a lot of vinyl, so this is a good opportunity to use some of those random ends and smaller pieces of vinyl from other projects. Put your vinyl on a mat and stick it down really good using a brayer. Instead of using 3 different mats for 3 different colors, I like to cut out all of my vinyl on the same mat. Pop the mat into your Cricut or Silhouette and set it to permanent vinyl. The designs are cut out, and as you can see here, the writing is really tiny and thin. This can be difficult to weed, so we will be using the reverse weeding method for that part. While everything is still stuck on the mat, we can grab the weeding tool and remove the backing from the check mark, as well as the little pieces from the inside of the letters. Now it's just the backgrounds left. Here's a closer look, and you can see just how thin these little letters are. To weed these properly, we're going to need to reverse weed. Apply some transfer paper on your design, and use the scraper to stick it down really well. Flip it over, and stick the design back down on the mat, but upside down this time. Use the scraper again, and stick it down to the mat. Now you can grab the weeder tool again. Take off the backing, then carefully and slowly remove the extra vinyl. If any of the little letters start to pull up, just push them back down with the end of your weeder. Now that the weeding is done and the paint on the ornaments is dry, you can stick on the vinyl. Be sure to line it up properly with a hole at the top so the design is straight once it's hanging on the tree. Use the scraper again to stick the vinyl down, and then pull off the transfer paper. All you have to do now is put on the string, and this ornament is ready to hang or give as a gift. Thanks for watching, and as you head into this holiday season, I wish you luck in all of your ornaments and projects. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Christmas project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.